So over here, you can see that I got 3 video clips right here. And let's say I want to apply similar effect to all of them at once. In that case, you can utilize something called the adjustment layer. So to add an adjustment layer, you need to click on the panel option right here under project assets, and then go to new item and then select adjustment layer right here. And an adjustment layer is added in. So adjustment layer is like a transparent layer. And I'm going to keep that in video 2, as you can see right here. And I'm going to drag it across so that it fills up the length of these three video clips right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to apply effects on the adjustment layer right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto effects right here. And I'm going to go, let's say, for example, go to Hollywood looks right here. And now what I can do is I can go around and drag in, let's say, for example, the comic look over here under the adjustment layer right here. Once I do that, what happens is that the adjustment layer has the effect, as you can see right here. And as I move around the timeline cursor, the effect is applied on all of the footages, as you can see right here. And it only affects the place where the adjustment layer is there. For example, here you don't see the effect, but right around from here, you will be able to see that effect right here. So it's processing, as you can see right here. So it does take a bit of time because it is a heavy effect right here. And there you go. You can see that that is what you have. So under the adjustment layer itself, you can see that you can go around and change around the position of the adjustment layer as well. So you can see that that is what you have. So let me just go around and press Ctrl Z and select out the adjustment layer right here. Under motion, if I were to go around and scale out the adjustment layer right here, you can see that this is only what you have right here. It only affects out that portion where the adjustment layer is. And whatever effects you apply onto the adjustment layer, all the layers beneath it is affected right there, just like that. So that is how you can work around with the adjustment layer option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.